Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon, Alibaba, AliExpress, or Temu. So let's see these cool gadgets and hacks we've got in this video. This is a beautiful apartment. This is the package. We've got this foam you can use for cleaning ink. We've got this tool you can use for drying up your shoes. We've got this tool you can use for brushing off your clothes. This is a small folding washing machine. It's convenient, you can use it anywhere at home. You can also dry up your clothes using this small washing machine. And we've got this blender you can use for making juice, and this is a small folding fan you can use anywhere at home. It's a mobile pen. You can stick it to the wall. We've got this rice cooker. This is an air fryer. You can use it for cooking maybe chicken wings. You can also use it for pizza or fish. We've got another cooker you can use for cooking corn and vegetables. This is a small brush you can use for cleaning your toilet corners, and we've got this small trash bin. We've got this rack you can use for sandals. We've got this hanger you can use for your clothes. This is a small towel, and we've got this juicer you can use for making orange juice. This is a small washing machine. You can use it anywhere at home. It's a folding one. We've got this cooker you can use for cooking maybe treats. You can also use it for cooking fish. This is another beautiful apartment. This is the package. We'll see the tools and products we've got in this beautiful apartment. It's a big package. This is the first product. We've got this box you can use for different purposes. You can use it for holding your mobile phone. You can use it for tissues and remote controllers. We've got this small mobile chair you can use while doing the housework. This is a mat where you can use your armchair. We've got this bucket. That's an electric bucket you can use for having massage for your feet. This is a small folding fan. We've got this small rack you can use for dispensers. We've got these small baskets where you can put garlic. We've got this box where you can put tissues. You can also use it for maybe toilet paper. We've got this organizer. This is another clip and another attachment. That's a sanitizer. This is a small shoes dryer. We've got this organizer, and we've got this beautiful mirror. It's a nice one. We've got this box where you can put your calculator. We've got this cutter you can use. This is a small dispenser you can use for storing cereals, grains. This is a small machine you can use for heating water. We've got this box where you can put tissues. This is a small organizer where you can put dispensers. This is a small brush you can use for cleaning your toilet corners. We've got all these items you can use for your toilet. We've got this doormat, and we've got this